Hi there. I'm going to make a cocktail called the Melbourne Mule. Now this is a twist on the classic Moscow Mule, but in this case we're going to use some nice Melburnian flavors. We're going to use the St. Ali Coffee Vodka by 666. Of course, this is a blend of coffee and vodka together. It's a slow drip coffee vodka made from the Tasmanian 666 vodka. We're going to add a little touch of Campari, of course a little bit of the Monin pink grapefruit syrup. We're going to lengthen that with the Cappy ginger beer. We'll add a touch of fresh lime to give it that nice acidity. And lots of ice. Now this is an easy cocktail to make, very summery, so let's get into it.